Just wow. I never would have known that the ear pads would make such a big difference here in the way it sounds.
All right, my favorite probably has to be the Elite Hybrid. It certainly isolates a lot better than the stock pads, and there's a lot more better bass, a lot more nice thumpiness to it, and also I think it accentuates the strengths of the DT770 770 Pros. So that's probably why I like the Elite Hybrids for the pads.
Okay, awesome. I mean, for the 770s, because they're closed, I really love the pads that don't really open them up. So I use 990s as well. So the normal default pads are just terrible on those for me. So the sheepskins are fantastic, but what I hadn't tried ever was the choice leather, which sounded really similar and also really good. The suede is a good mix of open and closed as well. So I'd go with a sheepskin for these, at least for me. Yeah.
Sheepskin's your favorite?
Yeah.
My favorite is the Elite Hybrid. I feel like it sounds the most balanced out of all of them.
My favorite is the Elite Velour. It seemed like it was more clear. It had a clearer sound than the rest of them. Elite Fenestrated Sheepskin also was pretty good. I think I would say Elite Velour and that one. Those were my favorite.
Factory to your door, and we can also help fulfill your online.
If I had to choose out of choice leather, hybrid, and sheepskin, I would go for sheepskin.
Just wow. I never would have known that the ear pads would make such a big difference here in the way it sounds. Trying the Dekoni's Elite Sheepskins. Bass much different than the, I can't even pronounce the other ones, but no bass whatsoever on the fenestrated sheepskins. But the Elite sheepskins, I guess if you like bass, those are the ones to get.
I do like this one. I can tell that they use some high quality stuff. It's not cheap.
I don't know. Best one, I think either the Velour or the Choice Hybrid.
I mean, for me, it's the fenestrated sheepskin. It's just the feel. It's just when you put it on, it kind of
Compresses.
Yeah, it's comfortable. Like I can see it like when I'm coding, I can just keep wearing them for 12 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Or 16 hours.
Great for longevity.
Yeah.
I really like the Elite Hybrid a lot, and I like the Elite Fenestrated Sheepskin. I also like the Choice Leather.
So is it sound choice or comfort?
Both.
Both?
Both for sound choice and for comfort. All of them are great though.
Oh yeah.
The first thing I noticed was the sound isolation between. Oh yeah. This cuts out a lot more external sound. You know, I think I like the Elite sheepskin the best. I felt like it was full rounded sound, comparable to the hybrid. But I would say out of the my two favorite would be the Elite sheepskin and the choice leather. Yep, two best for me.
We all come back on the
This one? Oh.